One of the things to be mindful of with a factory acceptance test is whether the test is the base, core, prime mover, or whether the test includes the whole package. Prime movers these days for projects are often combined with other balance of plant equipment as part of a whole package. You may have a core reciprocating engine, but the final delivery to site includes an enclosure, it includes all the balance of plant pumps and electrical switchgear and radiators. On a gas turbine, you have a core gas turbine, but then you have all of the compressor and the generator, you have ventilation in the package. So it's important to know, is it just the core that's being tested or is it the complete package? That's important because you want to really see the whole picture if you can. So if you can get the whole package tested, that's ideal. But in some cases, because the core is too large, you can only test the core. It's important going in to know, is it just the package, or is it just the core, or is it the whole package? When a test procedure is written or a test specification is written, it's important to know what the measurements are that can be taken. Can you measure the waste heat that can be recovered through the exhaust or through the jacket water? Is it going to be tested with any emissions control technology? And can the use of urea or the emissions performance after the control technology be tested? Can sound be tested? Is that technically feasible? Can you test things like lube oil consumption? It's really important to understand what measurement is in place and what measurement you'd like to see to understand the real question of, they specified this, I bought this in my contract, can that be achieved? The critical performance factor is output and heat rate. Those are the two big criteria. Can it make the kilowatt hour or kilowatt output that's required, or megawatt output that's required? And can it do so with the efficiency that's required? If I put a certain amount of fuel in, do I get the right amount of megawatts out? So the two key criteria are power output and efficiency. And it's important when the specification is written and when the test is done that the measurement is in place so that those values can be recorded as actuals and compared to the contracted values, and make sure that they either meet or preferably exceed those values.